Hello friends, welcome back with another video. This is Shafiq and you are watching my YouTube channel Mobile Info RYK. Today's video I tell you about that how you can review your Apple ID when you try to install any app from App Store. First open App Store and try to install any app from App Store. So I try to install Facebook in my iPhone. So I search Facebook and tap on Get. Tap on install and enter here your Apple ID password. Now we can see appear on the screen. This Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store. So how to fix it? Click on review option. First select country. I have already select my country and turn on agree to terms and conditions and click on next. Tap here your street and second row in street and the third row in street. Tap here your city name which you have to live. After tapping the city name, enter the city postcode. You can easily search postcode from Google. And at the end, enter your phone number. And then click on next. Click on continue. Again click on get. Click on install. Tap here your Apple ID password again. Click on sign in. Wait for a few seconds. No Facebook app installing successfully. I hope this video has helped you to how review your Apple ID. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.